How to use Grammarly for proofreading. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can use Grammarly for proofreading. Well, to use Grammarly for proofreading, you can install its browser extension or desktop app. So you can either install the browser extension. If you're using Chrome Web, you can head into Chrome Web Store, and then there you can search in for Grammarly extension. Rather than installing the app, this will be pretty simple. So you can install this extension, or you can use the Grammarly website. Then paste your text into the text editor here if you are using the Grammarly website. Grammarly highlights grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors with red underlines, which can click to citations and apply with a single click. For more advanced proofreading, you can use the premium features to check for tone, clarity, and plagiarism. So it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is you want to add this to Chrome, add extension, and your extension should be added here real quick. So you can see it'll red highlight here. You'll see the red line here what punctuation problem I have, and you can see the other punctuation problem. You can see the spelling problem as well. It'll just highlight you real quick once you do have the extension. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.